What's going on, Mr. Matt? Stepping down to Victory Nissan. You inquired about a 2017 Malibu recently acquired, and I would like to do a little walk-around video explaining some of the key features on the car. Got some beautiful alloys on there too. I believe those are 16-inch. It's an LT trim level 2. It's got the tinted back glass window, tinted all the way, including the front. But it's what's on the inside that counts, right? Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, of course. Got all your hands-free settings on the steering wheel for you to make sure you abide by the hands-free laws. You have the media that is all your displays over here. It's touchscreen as well. It'll work. Also sync your phone up and you can read your text messages and everything on the screen too. Cruise control, all your hands-free settings. You can cycle through the displays. Backup cameras installed on it as well with the projected lines to let you know where you're getting, how close you are to the objects behind you. You got OnStar equipped on this vehicle as well if you choose to have their membership. Leather on the inside is in great condition, as you can see. This car has been well taken care of. If you got any additional questions, don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Stefan at Victory Nissan, and I look forward to working for you in the future. This thing is beautiful.